Hi, today I'm gonna make more buttons. Since I was working, I did a little bit of changes, so don't worry. So I just added a hide here, and then I create another sprite, and I just put these two, and then I just put one green flag click, we hide, we go to negative 100, and we white 100, we repeat 2, we create a clone myself, one green flag click forever, wait until caution number equals 39, and show, and when it starts to clone, forever show, wait until caution number equals 39, and hide. Let's just change this. Go to, so now, let's start animation, and anytime. It just literally switches to costume 1. Oh. So we might have a problem, but we can use a weight. So I put a weight 0.15, and let's go to the calculator. So what we're gonna do is 0.15 multiplied by 29. So 0.15 multiplies by 29 equals 4.35. So let's go to the sprite. We wait. Then we'll just copy and paste this number. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Okay, I guess I need to 4.35. 4.35. Okay, got this. So just see if it works. Okay. I don't know why. So maybe we need to wait about 6 seconds. Let's see if it works. Let's save the project. Okay, still. You don't need the forever loop. How about like 10 seconds? Is that enough? Let me just see. Start animation. I think it's because we start. Okay. Okay. 10 seconds. 10. Oh. Let's get this out. Okay. So, it did work. But the stop only have it. So we only have a stop. Okay, let's just see. Let's wait. There we go, to stop. But where is the other one? So let me see in the other tutorial that I actually made. Let me just go to YouTube. I remember go to my YouTube studio. This one is kind of good, but blah blah blah. So let's just go to go down and I don't see it, so I'll just go down. Okay, scratch tips. Let's just see if there's anything. Oh, how to make buttons. Next, costume. So when green flag clicked, we hide. When green flag clicked, yep, I hide. And then I need to repeat. Okay, then we don't need this, I guess. And then when I start as a clone, let's just put a next costume in our this one. Next costume. Okay, so when I start as a clone, so let's just put an if and costume number equals to 1. Then we show and go to X, Y. Yep, I know there, and just duplicate it and equals 2 the way XY of 100. Okay, so let me just see if there's anything. Wait for me to if else and add a touching mouse pointer, and then we'll just put this in here. Okay, we put it under. We could put it under. So just put it under here. Like this. No, it's in a if else. No. Okay, let's just clean up. And then if touching mouse pointer, then we'll just set the size to minus and divide. Put the minus in there. And 300 divided by 2 here. And size. And then duplicate it. And put this to 250. And let's just duplicate this. Get this out. Oh. Then put this under. So now we need to hide. When we click hide. Oh, we need to wait. We need to wait 10 seconds. Okay, start animation. Let's wait. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's just see if it's for me in here. Oh, we need to add in the forever loop. Oh, and okay, we need to add into a forever loop. Oh, big brain strat. See if there's any more tips. Now we got this, then put zero here. Now we don't need that, so let's just add another if in here. If touching mouse pointer, and another if the mouse is down, and then another if the key No, we need to wait until this is not mouse down, and then another if we're still touching the mouse pointer. This is for doing it again, so we just need to broadcast animation. Okay, there we go. This one, let's just duplicate this whole thing and just put it up here under the else, and let's just clean up. And we don't need a broadcast animation, we need a stop all. Okay, so let's just see if it works. Wait 10 seconds. There we go. And play again. Yep. And stop. It just stops all. Okay. Let's just save the project. And make sure all of these are front layers. So let's just go to front layer. And these two to front. And this. Well, this one is not front layer. This one has to be back. So put this one to go to front. This one is go to front 2. And this one is go to front. So everything here needs to go to front layer. Okay, so that's our code. So let's just see if it works. So save your project. Okay, starting animation. Yep. And then, okay, wait. Okay, play again. Yep. Okay, we need to show it. We need to hide it. So, we need, in here we need a hide. And on top of the forever loop, we need to show. Okay. Okay, waiting. Play again. Play again. Play again. Play again. Okay, it's kind of funny. Then save now. And this is me. I'm back. Oh no, I'm out. I'm out. Bye. Oh.